Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to play around with the Norvina Volume 1 palette again. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So first I'm going to start out with the base as always, and my favorite to use is the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. So that's what I'm going to use today. For this look, I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 1 palette to create my look. So I'm gonna start with A5, which is a hot pink eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply this into the inner half of my crease. And I'm using a pretty small brush to apply this so I don't get it all over the place. Next I'm picking up B1, which is more of a purpley pink shade, and this one is gonna go into the center of the crease. I'm using the same brush because it's the perfect size for this. I just wipe the colors off in between using the different colors. And now for the outer corners of my eyes, I'm gonna use A2, which is a bright purple color. So as you can see, it now goes from a bright pink in the inner corners to a bright purple in the outer corners. And now that I have all the colors on the lid, I just like to take a bigger blending brush and just blend everything together so that it's nice and seamless. Next I'm gonna go with D4, which is a royal blue eyeshadow with a tiny bit of sparkle. It's so pretty. And I'm gonna use this to deepen the crease and the outer corners. So for this, I'm using a slightly smaller blending brush so I don't get it all over the pink and purple eyeshadow colors. And all my brushes are from Not Black Cosmetics, by the way, since I always get questions about that. Now I'm gonna go back in with the concealer on a flat eyeshadow brush to carve out the crease. And I want this to be a half cut crease look, so I'm only gonna carve out the inner half. So before I applied B3 eyeshadow from the palette, I first applied the Huda Beauty Melted Eyeshadow in Fro-Yo. And I went a little bit overboard with this one and applied too much, so it did start to crumble a little bit. So if you decide to recreate this look, just go easier on the liquid shadow and it will be all good. And now I'm just going back in with the purple and blue eyeshadow, and I'm just blending out the harsh edges in the outer corners. We want the transition to be really soft here, so definitely take your time with this. So now that the lid is done, I'm gonna move on to the lower lash line, and I'm first gonna apply the hot pink shade all over my lower lid, and then I'm gonna add the blue closest to the lash line. I want this look to be very dramatic and blown out, so I'm going pretty low on my lower lash line, but I like that look, so definitely don't be afraid to bring it down. And now for the inner corners, I'm gonna highlight with this beautiful lilac shade A1. Now just to add some definition to the lash line, I'm gonna apply a thin line of the ABH liquid liner along my lash line. And then I'm gonna take the black eyeshadow from the palette and I'm just gonna go over that liner just to soften it a little bit. To line my waterline, I'm gonna use the Inglot AMC Gel Liner in the shade 67. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some mascara and Huda Beauty lashes in Lana, and that's it for this look. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon with a new video. Bye!